One of the most well-known brands in the watch industry is TAG Heuer, but what exactly does that moniker mean? The phrase technique d'avant-garde is referred to as TAG, which is an acronym for the word. This phrase describes the timepiece's revolutionary design, movement, and style. But what about Heuer? Well, let's find out about that together right after this intro. Originally, Eduard Heuer, the creator of the company, took his family name, Heuer, as the company's name. Heuer watches have evolved into luxury Swiss timepieces ever since the Swiss firm that bears their family name was first established in the 1860s. Today, TAG Heuer has established itself as a prestigious and highly respected organization over the course of the previous century and a half of history, and as a result is responsible for supplying enthusiasts with high-quality watches that are suitable for any event. However, some watch aficionados confuse Heuer and TAG Heuer. Well, what is the relationship between these two brands? Let's explore. In 1860, Eduard Heuer started Heuer Watchmaking Incorporated in Saint-Omer, Switzerland, producing pocket watches mostly in silver. Heuer received a patent for his first chronograph in 1882. By 1887, he received a patent for an oscillating pinion, a component that is still utilized by major watchmakers in the production of mechanical chronographs. In 1914, Heuer presented the world with its first wrist chronograph. The initial wrist chronographs were modified from pocket chronographs. The crown was located at the 12 o'clock position. The micrograph, the first stopwatch to be precise to 1/100th of a second, was introduced in 1916 by Charles August Heuer, Eduard's son. Heuer's line of chronographs grew by the mid-40s to include 2 and 3 registers, as well as a full calendar function, day, date, and month. These triple calendar chronographs represented the pinnacle of Heuer's research. In the early 1950s, Heuer then made the Seafarer, displaying high and low tides. By 1953, the Autograph, which included a tachymeter scale allowing rally drivers and navigators to time distance, Heuer was a consistent innovation leader. In 1985, TAG, or Technique d'Avant-Garde, a French company that manufactured high-tech equipment such as ceramic turbochargers for Formula One vehicles, and Ron Dennis, a British businessman, acquired Heuer, forming TAG Heuer. Later, in 1999, the watch brand TAG Heuer was purchased by Louis Vuitton. However, the name remained unchanged. The initials, Technique d'Avant-Garde, and the family name of the company's founder were combined to create the moniker TAG Heuer. TAG Heuer continued to roll through the 2000s and presented the pendulum concept in 2010, which is the first magnetic oscillator that did not use a hairspring, but was still able to provide restoring torque comparable to that of a hairspring. Today, TAG Heuer continues to excel, remaining well known for their remarkable watchmaking skills in addition to their stunning designs, premium materials, and expert craftsmanship that go into each watch. The importance of accuracy and precision cannot be overstated with their current lines, such as Formula One, Aqua Racer, Link, Carrera, Monaco, and Grand Carrera. TAG Heuer has not only been able to endure from the 1860s to the present day, but it has also been able to thrive, placing them with other top luxury brands throughout the world. The TAG Heuer roots are traced to the original Heuer propensity of pushing limits.